Hi everyone, Mr. Red Lips here. I just came back the grocery. Now home cooking. Okay, we don't all the hot pot style, chicken feet, all the different kind of chicken. Let's go. It's the chicken feet here. We got all the different kind of chicken parts. We got some bamboo shoot here. Got the now chicken here. That's a good start. Let's go. Okay, time to put bamboo shoot in and the water. Oh, tasty. Okay. Lollipop. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Let's go.